Hey, everybody, it's Jimmy DeGroat here with Train Retail and the Jewelry Store Training Institute, along with Peter Smith from the Retail Smiths. We're talking about the Brain Trust Workshop, Saturday, August 12th at the In-Store Show in the Chicagoland area. We've got an amazing team here. We got Sherry Smith from Edge Retail Academy. We've got Megan Crabtree from Crabtree Consulting, myself, Jimmy DeGroat, and Peter Smith, of course. And Peter, this is a day of workshop and discussions with incredible topics. So tell us about the topics.
We've picked topics that ought to be front and center on everybody's mind right now. Everybody I bumped into, Jimmy, at the JCK show is talking about the challenges of hiring. I'm excited not only to sort of give an updated version of where we're at, but also to hear from the retailers and for them to hear from their peer group about some of the things that they're doing to make this a little bit easier.